We go again, the 2.5 Nissan Altima. It's like a 09, 07, 09, 2010, some shit like that, 2.5. Let's make sure it's the one with the plastic intake. It's how to take off the injectors, right? And this one, we got an injector problem. This is a common Nissan problem. It's that injector right there, the second one. So you got one coil, two coil, three coil, four coils. Right? What's happening here is that one's misfire. When you keep it plugged in, car idles fine and then goes to a rough shake. Idles fine, goes to a rough shake. Now, way you test that out is I unplug that one, right? When I unplug that one, the car wants to shut off. It doesn't just do the light shake, right? So I plugged it back in. You plug it back in, you get the little misfire, like, you know, But then I go to the second one and unplug it and leave it unplugged. There's no difference. It stays with the same putt. So it tells me the injector is bad because the coil has lots of spark, which hit me. So the way you loosen these is there's one 12 millimeter right there next to the first injector, right? Then the second one is back here. Can't really see it. It's not that. It's right there. That 12 millimeter right there, which is a little bit of a mother to get to. So what I did was to get to the first one over here, I used the 3/8 swivel with a long extension. 3/8 swivel and a 12, right? Now, to get to the one over here, in order not to take off this bracket, this motor mount bracket and all this crap, what I did was you grab a 1/4, a 1/4 inch ratchet, right? But a 1/4 inch ratchet, unless you have a deep socket 12, I have a short one, I don't have a long one. So what I did was put this extension thing on it. Hold on. If you only have a short socket, you need to extend it just by like a 1/4 inch. So what I did was that. Grab the 3/8. I put a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter on it. Bam. And I put it on the ratchet. 1/4 inch one. It just gives you that much length. So you can reach. I can't even see that thing. Get a video shot of it and just get it on there. So you can see where the socket's at. See? Right there. That's where that one bolt is at. And you can sort of see it right there. See the 12? That's the 12. Wiggle this thing on there. Gives you just enough room. Put some PB blaster, because boy, it's a motherfucker to fucking crack loose. I'll tell you that much. That one was hard to crack loose, and this one was really hard to crack loose over here. So, where was it at? Right there. So what I did for that one was I put PB blaster on it, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I cracked it loose. It's gonna be kind of hard to crack loose, but you gotta crack it loose to get the fuel rail loose, and then be able to pop out the injectors. Once you pop those two out, well, on this one, what I suggest is don't take it out all the way, because then it's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the butt to get back in. So what I'm doing is I'm just loosening this one. Just gonna loosen it as much as I can by finger, but leave a couple threads on so you won't have to line it back up. Because otherwise it's gonna be a pain in the butt to put back in there, because it's a real tight spot. Originally you're supposed to take off everything to do this job. You gotta take off this whole bracket piece. It wraps around the engine and crap. Goes all the way to over here. That bolt, this bolt, all that, this. Take off the mount, and you gotta put some under the motor to jack it up to keep it up and leveled. But that's a little shortcut you can do with the tools I just did it with. So that's how you can change the injectors out on this without having to take out the